Grow your own golden goodness, a guide to growing turmeric at home. Tired of bland spices and store-bought turmeric that lacks that vibrant zing? Imagine harvesting your own fresh, potent turmeric right from your backyard. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to growing this golden spice at home, even if you have limited space. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather the essential supplies for our turmeric growing adventure. Having everything ready will make the planting process smooth and enjoyable. Think of it as preparing your artist's palette before creating a masterpiece. First, you'll need turmeric rhizomes. These are essentially the seeds of the turmeric plant. Look for rhizomes that are firm, plump, and free from blemishes. Healthy rhizomes are the key to a successful harvest. You can find turmeric rhizomes at local nurseries, online retailers specializing in gardening supplies, or even Asian grocery stores. Don't be afraid to ask the staff for assistance in selecting the best ones. Next up is potting mix. Turmeric thrives in well-draining soil, so avoid using regular garden soil, which can become compacted. A good potting mix will provide the necessary aeration and drainage for healthy root development. A simple and effective potting mix recipe is a blend of potting soil, compost, and perlite. This combination provides nutrients, moisture retention, and excellent drainage. Aim for a ratio of 1:1 for best results. You'll also need a pot or container. Choose one that's at least 12 inches deep and wide to accommodate the growing rhizomes. Turmeric plants need space to spread their roots. Terracotta or plastic pots are both suitable options. Terracotta pots offer better aeration, while plastic pots retain moisture for longer. Choose the one that best suits your watering habits. A watering can is essential for providing regular hydration to your turmeric plants. Opt for a watering can with a gentle shower head to avoid disturbing the soil. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy growth. Finally, consider using a balanced organic fertilizer to give your turmeric plants a boost. Fertilizing every 4-6 weeks during the growing season will provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth and rhizome development. Now for the fun part, planting your turmeric rhizomes. This is where the magic begins, and you'll witness the transformation from rhizome to vibrant plant. Follow these steps carefully for a successful start. First, fill your pot with the prepared potting mix, leaving about 1 inch or 2 of space at the top. This will prevent soil from spilling over when you water. A good foundation is key to a thriving plant. Next, place the turmeric rhizomes horizontally on top of the soil, spacing them a few inches apart. Ensure that the eyes or buds on the rhizomes are facing upwards. These are where the new shoots will emerge. Cover the rhizomes with about 2-3 inches of potting mix. Gently pat down the soil to ensure good contact between the rhizomes and the soil. Proper depth is crucial for successful germination. Water the pot thoroughly until water drains out of the bottom. This will help settle the soil and provide the rhizomes with the initial moisture they need. Hydration is key to kickstarting growth. Place the pot in a warm location that receives indirect sunlight. Turmeric thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Maintain consistent watering, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger into the soil. Adjust watering frequency as needed based on weather conditions. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Ensure that the pot has adequate drainage to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. Healthy roots are essential for a thriving plant. Caring for your turmeric plants is an ongoing process that requires attention and patience. By providing the right conditions, you can ensure a bountiful harvest of fresh, flavorful turmeric. Think of it as tending to a precious garden. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This encourages deep root growth and helps the plant withstand periods of drought. Consistent watering is crucial for healthy development. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal for turmeric plants. If you're growing indoors, place the pot near a window that receives filtered sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight, which can burn the leaves. Protect your turmeric plants from direct sunlight, especially during the hottest part of the day. If you notice the leaves turning yellow or brown, it may be a sign of sunburn. Adjust the location accordingly. Fertilize your turmeric plants every 4-6 weeks during the growing season with a balanced organic fertilizer. This will provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth and rhizome development. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging. Regularly monitor your turmeric plants for pests and diseases. Common garden pests like aphids and spider mites can sometimes attack turmeric plants. Treat any infestations promptly with organic pest control methods. After 8-10 months, your turmeric plants will be ready for harvest. The leaves will start to turn yellow and die back, indicating that the rhizomes are mature. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Carefully dig up the entire plant, being mindful not to damage the rhizomes. Use a garden fork or spade to loosen the soil around the plant. Gently lift the plant out of the pot. Brush off any excess soil from the rhizomes. Separate the rhizomes from the plant, keeping some aside for replanting next year. This ensures a continuous supply of fresh turmeric. Wash the harvested rhizomes thoroughly with water to remove any remaining soil. Now you have beautiful, fresh turmeric ready to use in your culinary creations. You can use the fresh turmeric immediately or dry it for later use. To dry turmeric, slice the rhizomes thinly and spread them out on a tray in a well-ventilated area. Allow them to dry completely, which may take several days. Turmeric has a wide range of culinary uses. Add it to curries, smoothies, and teas for a vibrant flavor and a boost of health benefits. Fresh turmeric has a more intense flavor than dried turmeric powder. Turmeric also has other uses beyond the kitchen. Turmeric paste can be applied to the skin for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's a versatile spice with numerous benefits. Congratulations! You've learned the secrets to growing your own turmeric at home. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of this golden spice. Imagine the satisfaction of using your own homegrown turmeric in your favorite recipes. Now it's your turn to get started. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.